To activate your cross-sells on your product pages, go on Settings and make sure that this option is clicked on. You have different types of cross-sells that you can show on your product pages. It can either be your global product cross-sells showing, or your handpicked cross-sells if assigned, otherwise your global product cross-sells, or only your handpicked cross-sells. You can also show your upsells into your product pages with different options. And also you can change the title or the heading of your handpicked cross-sells. Or you can change the title and the heading of your global product cross-sells if you're using them. You can also limit the number of the cross-sells that are going to be displayed from 1 to maximum of 15 cross-sells. Make sure to save your information. And you should be seeing your cross-sells reflected on your store, on your product pages.